Hey yo, what's poppin', Team No Space? We are kind of back with another video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Brad. Today is a weird day because it's getting crazy with COVID-19 and the coronavirus in Toronto, Canada right now. And as you can see, this is the closure statement that I was just telling you about. And I've packed my bags to just straight up head up to my cottage. So I think I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna grab my bags and I'm gonna bring you guys with me because I'm gonna be super bored and basically be alone. But I'll have the comfort of knowing that I'm in a bubble, I can't get sick, I can't get anyone else sick, and I know that my efforts will contribute to the society, so at least that makes me feel good. So I hope that you guys can go down and smash that like button for the support. Whether this gets posted or not, these days can be pretty boring, and I want to entertain myself, so I guess I might as well make some videos. I mean, I'm working too, but I have a lot of free time. So let's head up to the cottage and let's go isolate. Let's go.
If you're developing, I guess it's just how.
All right, well, I just arrived in cottage country. It's a 2-hour drive. It's definitely quarantine up here. Like, it's quiet. I knew it was gonna be quiet, and it's really like creepy too, but like, just for a point of reference, I hope this comes up on camera. Just even when I'm at home, you can hear fan noise and stuff like that, like the fan spinning, but just listen to this quietness. It's spooky, and it's going to continue to be spooky. So even though you guys aren't actually here, I'm gonna have to tell my brain that you are, because I need some company. But yeah, I'm gonna bring all this stuff in, and yeah, I'll go from here. I'll check in with you guys later. Probably in the morning, actually. I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Peace.
Wanna talk all the shit in my comments, but in person you don't want it. Bitch, what? Bitch, what?
Boom! And just like that, guys, we are on day 1 of quarantine. Self-isolation, aka social distancing. It's pretty weird. This is day number 1, so you're really supposed to be isolated for like 14 days, but yo, it's not really much of a vacation. I actually have to jump on a call right now.
Working on a weekend like usual.
For work. So yeah, I'm gonna jump on my call. Maybe I'll get you guys to say hi to Alicia. I told him I was gonna be on a phone call with you. Do you want to say hi?
Oh my god. Hey, what's up, people? We're here as digital content makers. We're out here.
I kind of want to just break up the vlog here for a minute, just to tell you that if you guys are at home and doing quarantine or self-isolation, actually even like a lot of my friends are telling me that they're bored. I've had like 3 people today tell me that they're bored. So if you're looking for something to do to like keep you busy, especially me, I'm at the cottage, yo, try cooking. Like, this is some green curry paste, and I just mix it in with some vegetables and some chicken and coconut milk, like true canned coconut milk. And it's like a really good idea to keep you busy, and it's gonna taste good and make a lot, so that way you can have leftovers too. So anyways, this is just a breakup in the vlog. It's probably not gonna be much longer anyways, but yeah, sweet, thanks. Try that. It's a little strange, like there's nobody here. I guess you guys didn't get to see the property yesterday when I came up last night, but because we have like 14 days, well, I don't know how long I'll actually be here for, but we can do a property like tour tomorrow, kind of just something to do, keep these vlogs short and sweet. But right now, let's go get wood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring like, I don't know, maybe like a few of these, like I don't know, 5 or 10 in the garage, so that way they're like warmer than just chilling here. You know what? No, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna bring them inside. Let me do that. Yeah, I figured it'd be nicer to keep the wood in here. So there's kind of this little area down here where I can just, you know, release the wood. So stock this up. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys when that's like fully loaded. Let's go. So there we go. That's as much wood as I'm gonna put there for now. I have one more in my hand. which I'm gonna bring upstairs. So that way it's right beside the fire. So I'm gonna go do that right now. So that's that. Gonna make a little fire tonight. But I can also hear my timer going off because it's time to make rice. So let's check in on this green curry. Oh my god. That looks so good. So I'm gonna make rice. And yeah, I'll check in on you guys when my dinner's ready and I get a fire going. I'm going to enjoy that. And yo, these vlogs are supposed to be short because they're just gonna be daily. I'm gonna get that fireplace going right after dinner, so I'll make sure that you guys can see a bit of that. And yeah, tomorrow I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a property tour with you guys, because I'm sure you want to see where I'm staying at my cottage in the Kawarthas, Ontario. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. We'll do some more tomorrow, and the day after that, 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 and the day after